Well, beautiful framing here of the nearly full moon. It becomes full tomorrow night, but it looks pretty full here tonight. It's hanging like a little ornament there on the tree. That captured by Jim Carpenter. It is called the cold full moon of December. How appropriate. We made it up to a high of 45 today. We're currently 40 at the airport. Winds are calm. It's a pretty decent day across the region. Ample sunshine, even though these numbers are roughly 10 degrees below our average. 35, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 44 this afternoon for a high. Temperatures right now, you see a lot of middle to some upper 30s across much of the region. And as we take a look at the satellite radar combination, things are pretty quiet. Clear skies, high pressure sets over the region tonight. Then it'll start to retreat farther off to the east. So most of us tonight will see numbers in the middle 20s. Again, just an idea, our average overnight lows in the mid 30s. So a continuation of these below average temperatures. Tomorrow is actually the quote unquote mildest day of the week. Some mid to upper 40s east of the Blue Ridge. Maybe a few locations could touch 50 briefly, and some middle 40s across the Shenandoah Valley. But we will have a dry cold front coming through, and that lays the foundation of a reinforcing shot of cold air, and at the same time there's going to be moisture working in. So a first alert weather day here for Friday morning, midday, early afternoon hours. Temperatures will struggle to climb near freezing. So whatever falls will stick, and the morning hours will be most problematic. It'll dry out as we head into the weekend, but these below average temperatures to continue. So here's a snapshot for Friday shortly after midnight. Things are cloudy but dry, but we'll expect a blossoming of light snow to work in across the region pre-dawn through the morning commute. Certainly cause some issues there. Temperatures will be well down in the 20s, and then that continues to about mid to late morning before it kind of tapers off to more of some flurries or snow showers as the brunt of this heads off to the north and east. So it does look to be a morning event. Temperatures will be plenty cold on Friday, as mentioned, upper 20s and low 30s. Now, this happens to be the American GFS model, which is kind of showing an inch or less across the region. The European model is a little bit more robust, showing a wider area of 1 to 2. The deeper moisture is going to be to our south, so it'll be a question of where that kind of line sets up between less snow to the north and some heavier snow to the south. Heavier meaning 1 to 2 inches. And so right now, kind of north of 64, maybe less, a little more south of I-64. We have a cold front north and west of Chicago. That's going to come through and kick up the wind and usher in that colder air mass. And energy that's coming out of the Four Corners region will spawn a new area of low pressure that will bring a blossoming of moisture in our direction to overrun that cold dome of air by Friday morning. You can see how much colder it is farther to our north and west. So temperatures tonight will settle into the mid-20s for many. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, a dry Thursday, and then we'll watch first alert weather day conditions for Friday morning for some light snow. Saturday and Sunday looking dry, possibly some snow showers in here on Monday, but one system at a time. The cold air continues through next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We'll be right back.